Hello, my technical friends. This is TestOut Linux Pro, and this is Lab 8.8.9, and we are going to turn quotas off. So the system is running hard disk quotas for users and groups. Complete this lab from the terminal. So in this lab, your task is to disable the quotas on the root directory. Alright, so that is all we need to do in this lab. Let us go ahead and start up lab right away. Alright, so the lab is loading. So in the meantime, if you need detailed video guidance on how to solve any of the TestOut lab at all, you also want to consider joining my professional membership where you have detailed video access on how to solve any of the TestOut lab at all. So we're still waiting for the lab to load. Alright, the lab has loaded. We open terminal and then we type in quotas off // and you press enter. Go ahead and score lab. If you find this video to be helpful, also consider sharing this video on other educational platforms so that other students can benefit also. Like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will definitely see you in my next video.